Being far from home does not stop you from eating fresh vegetable soup, especially if you are a Nigerian mom like me that is living in Qatar with her family. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel and I'm a mom YouTuber based in Qatar with my family. Today, I'll be making fresh vegetable soup. Some people call it Efo Riro, but it's just fresh vegetable soup to me. In the early days, as newbies in Qatar, vegetable soup was one of the soups that you would hardly see in my fridge because it was difficult to get ugu and water leaf that is being used to make vegetable soup. So it was really difficult. But most times when I do cook it, when I do cook vegetable soup, it's when I see somebody coming back from Nigeria, then the person got me some fresh ugu, then I'll make vegetable soup. But the story quickly changed when I discovered this vegetable called palak. Now, if you live in the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and co, you will find this vegetable in most vegetable shops, especially the Indian shops. Okay, it's called palak. You can use it to make your fresh vegetable stew and fresh vegetable soup. Okay, I want to see my thank you in the comment section because it took me years to discover this vegetable that I'm sharing with you people. You people know that on my channel, anything I know, I like to share it because there's no need to gatekeep all of these things. Okay, eating fresh soups will help your body system, will help your family, improve your family health. So that's why it's important that I share, and I'm also learning from other people and I'm also sharing. It took me a while to discover this vegetable. It's called palak, but some people call it spinach. But if you go to the market and you're looking for spinach, you'll not see it. When you go to the market, just ask the shopkeepers, please, I want to buy palak, and they'll point you in the direction. It's so easy to make if you follow these steps that I'm showing you. And if you eat this vegetable soup, you will not go back to eating vegetable soup with the dry leaves you got from back home. Like my husband, he likes vegetable soup fresh. So when I discovered this vegetable, it became our go-to. It became the soup that we almost don't miss it in our fridge. We don't miss it at all. So it's easy to make. Just follow the steps that I'm showing. I want to know in the comment section, will you be trying this soup? Number one, will you be trying, or will you even go out to look for it to try it and taste for yourself? Will you do it? I want to know in the comment section, okay? Tell me. The good thing is, this vegetable, you can use it for not just the vegetable soup. Any soup that requires vegetable, you can use it. I have tried it, I have tasted it, and I am sharing. Trust me, you will love it. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel.